Hello guys, I have in here 4 boxes of solar floodlight. It's the floodlight type. One of them has been installed and there's still 3 more to go. So one of them was installed right over there and the other 3 will be installed right here. So one in front of this car and the other 2 at the back. So let me open the box so you can see what's inside. So inside the box you will find the remote control. It looks like that. So auto setting, so that means when you choose this option, when there's no more sun, it will turn on automatically. This is the other here, 3 hours, 5 hours. These are just delays. This one is obviously what they are, on and off, and the other 2 is to the brightness. So it's dim and increase the brightness. Yep. And other than that, and then we also have the battery and expansion bolt, I think that's what they called, and 2 sets of wing nuts and bolt right there. And this one is for the solar panel, a bracket for the solar panel. The solar lamp already came with the panel installed, pre-installed. So this is the connector. It's weatherproof. Yeah. This one is just rated 800 watts, but I don't believe that. Probably 100 watts more or less. And I counted this to around I think more or less 300 bids. You can count if you want to. And this is the solar panel. Yeah. That's a solar panel. It's made of aluminum. The brace, or the frame rather, and it came with the 5-meter wire, and that's the other end of the connector. So it's made of rubber. It's good for weather. Nothing else. So that's it for the packaging. And so to install this on the roof, I would be using this I don't know what they call this one. So this is normally used to secure GI sheets, roof panels, roof sheets, yeah, like that. And to secure it on the wall, we'll use the supplied expansion bolt, yeah. And for that, I'll be using this, a rotary hammer. Yeah, so it's a rotary hammer. You can also use a hammer drill, that's fine, but this one, I have this, so it's way faster. And yeah, we'll install it later today. This one is a bit challenging because the holes are not direct. So what we did was we pulled out the original screw and drilled another hole here and here. So that's how it looks now. And we're installing the 3rd one. 2 more to go. It's all done now. The testing is on, off, auto. Yay! All done now. There, and the other one is the black. Here's the first one we installed. And it's blinking, meaning it's charging. And so that's what it is. And the other one right there. Yan ang madilim.
Yan ang madilim. Ito maliwanag.
That's one. And eto. Wow.
Okay, the other one?
Yeah, it's bright. It's a bit dark here. But when you go there, it's really bright. And you can see the surrounding. Yun. Yan.
Maybe you can put it in here.
Yeah, additional dito, no?
Yeah. Here. No, at my pinto.
Hmm.
And then here.
Para lumiwanag pa siya.
And then extra
There.
there.
So dark. Oh.